we are going to Vizag with our family and cousins. This is Deborah. This is we call her Pudipini, but she's actually Masi. And this is Divyaka. It's actually kind of a funny trip. We're almost reaching Vizag, and I've never been a vlogger, but my Pinni is making me do it. And you are like my student. You should listen to me. So we're actually at Annavaram's The One restaurant. We can see the hunger in the faces. And these are my sisters. This is Vicky, and this is the crazy Masi, and this is another beautiful Masi, and this is the angry yet sweet mama, my mommy, Atta, and cousins. And we can see how beautiful they are, no? You know, it's been a long time since we met each other. So nobody's actually looking at our faces, you know, they're all eating. Look at my Pinni, has no clue. You can see my Masi too, you know. This is my mama looking at me. Look at my mom, always having that face. Probably Atta was too hungry, you know. Are you even seeing what we're doing down there? You know, our stomachs are full of breakfast like idli and sambar, and you know, we are getting back into the car, and look at me in the back, you know, pretending myself as some runway model. Jesus Christ. Hi guys, so this is me and our cousins and our Masi. You know, nobody knew that we are actually in one car. If they knew, they wouldn't let us travel together. You know, these are some of the beautiful pictures that I clicked. Pretty beautiful, you know. And this is a short video of us traveling together. That's little Deborah, and we're actually going in a normal speed. It's not even like too much speed. And this is Divyaka, and you know, we're going in a convoy. All the cars are behind us. You can actually see my sister. Yeah, that's Vicky. Yeah, that girl is my sister. She's pretty active, you know, and that's beautiful view. The trees, the mountains. You know, no matter how many pictures and the videos you take, you would still want to take them, because you know, beauty is beauty after all. And it's a normal regular video. Yeah, we actually came to Vizag Steel Plant. We came. Guys, so we finally reached Vizag, and you know, there's a lot of traffic down here. Like, we have been in the traffic since probably 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
And,
look at the traffic once.
Look at the traffic. So this is my little cousin.
Hello.
And this is
She's
my
almost
another cousin. She's beautiful though.
They're almost tired, feeling hungry.
And you know, everything.
Just now we eat some snacks.
Hi guys, it's actually raining in Vizag. It's a pretty beautiful place. Can you see the mountain? I don't know what to call that, a mountain or a hill or something else. But I can surely say that it's pretty
Without
beautiful.
enjoying, our little daughter is trying to sleep.
Well, look at her though.
Show her. See?
Deborah?
Look here. Are you feeling sleepy?
Yes. I'm actually enjoying the weather.
Yeah.
Guys, so we are finally at the destination.
What is the name of this beach?
I don't know, I guess some
Beach
art.
పేరేంటిది? రుషికొండ beach అంట.
Rishikona
RK
Beach.
RK beach. RK beach. It's not RK beach, huh? Okay. చెప్పు.
It's Rishikonda Beach, and you can see the place where the wedding is going to happen.
This is called as Sai Priya Resort.
Yeah. So, guys, this is where the reception is going to happen. And you can see the wind, you can hear the roaring of the waves, and it's pretty dark. And can you see the location, how beautiful it is? And the chairs, and the bride and the bridegroom are going to come there, and we are going to have some pictures. And meanwhile, we are pretty hungry, always hungry. That's our Betty Pinny standing there. So this is our day 2. We're going to visit the beach. Some photos at the beach as usual.